Hello dear students. So in this video we will be continuing the questions from the topic complex numbers, and see this part, even in the first question and the second question we had a question on circle locus question. So this I think is repeated, so for the shift 2 also we can definitely focus on this. Now dear students, if you have understood the first question and the second question, then definitely this question will be very simple. Mod of z minus 2 is less than or equals to 4. That means this is a circle with center 2 comma 0 and radius is 4. Let us try plotting it, dear students. So 2 comma 0 is somewhere here. One end of the diameter, let me first, circle will be something like this. Okay, so one end of the diameter will be 2 plus 4, that will be 6 comma 0. The other end will be 2 minus 4, that will be minus 2 comma 0, dear students. Okay, so okay, quickly इसको थोड़ा अच्छा कर देते हैं भाई. Yeah, 2 comma 0 is somewhere here. Now point is with this, difficulties with this part B, but that is also not very difficult. So we have z minus 2 plus mod z plus 2 is equals to 5. It is of the form PA plus PB is equals to some constant. Okay, now we know, I'm recalling the definition, dear students, definition of locus. All the JEE aspirants should definitely be aware of this. So point A is 2 comma 0, point B is minus 2 comma 0, and K is 5. So what is the distance between A and B? That is 4, dear students. And all of us know that if K is greater than AB, then the required locus here is, if K is greater than AB, then the locus is ellipse, right? And if K is equals to AB, dear students, then the locus is, what do you think is the locus? Yeah, it is a line segment. Correct? No? For example, this is A, this is B. Now P can be anywhere on this line segment, right? PA plus PB will be equals to AB. Now if K is less than AB, dear students, then locus is not possible. That means there is no such curve possible. Anyways, here the locus is ellipse. That means K, in this case, K will be equals to 2A, and that will be equals to 5, dear students. And this will be a horizontal ellipse because the coordinates of focus is on the x-axis, right? And the coordinates of first focus are 2 comma 0, which will be 2AE comma 0, right? That means it will be so 2 will be equals to 2A into E. 2A is 5, so E will be equals to 2 by 5, dear students. So what is E square equals to 4 divided by 25, and that will be 1 minus B square by A square. A square is 25 divided by 4, dear students. So what do we get? So we get 1 minus 4 by 25 is equals to 4B square by 25, which is 21 by 25 is equals to 4B square by 25. I guess B square is equals to 21 divided by 4, right? So what is the, okay, let us once quickly check whether this is correct. E square is 4 divided by 25. I guess we have done a mistake somehow. Still feel, I think we have done a mistake here, dear students. Okay, quickly let me see. This is not 2AE comma 0, right? This should be AE comma 0, right? Right. So here, just erasing it. So AE is equals to 2, right? So E will be equals to 2 divided by A is 5 divided by 2, right? A is 5 divided by 2. So we get 4 divided by 5. So E square will be 16 divided by 25, and that will be 1 minus B square divided by A square. So 1 minus 16 by 25 is 9 divided by 25, and that is B square by A square, and B square will be equals to 9 divided by 25 into A square, and A square is 25 divided by 4. So we get B square as 4, and the equation of ellipse is x square by A square, that is 25 by 4, plus y square by B square, that is 9 by 4, is equals to 1. So again, this is a horizontal ellipse, dear students, and ends of the major axis are 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is somewhere here, comma 0, and minus 5 by 2 will be somewhere here, right? Minus 5 by, so this will be the ellipse, right? Now from A can lie anywhere inside the circle and on the circle. Okay, A can lie anywhere inside the circle. So just to share the region for A can lie anywhere in this region, right? So these questions of locus are very easy, dear students, and I don't recommend you to take z is equal to x plus iota y. That will be very right, very lengthy. This will be straightforward. Yeah, so now What is the question? Achha, the question is then the maximum value of mod of z1 minus z2 such that z1 belongs to A and z2 belongs to B. Achha, we need to find the maximum distance between the points z1 and z2. So I think the question is very simple, dear students. Maximum z1 is a point, z1 belongs to A and z2 belongs to B, right? Z2 be any point on the ellipse, right? So what do you think is the maximum distance, dear students? That will be AB, right? Straightforward. It is very straightforward. Maximum maximum value of this mod z1 minus z2 will be AB, right? I hope you understood that, because take any other point apart from A, you will get a distance lesser than that point, lesser than AB, right? So maximum distance, required answer will be mod z1 minus z2 maximum. This will only be possible if A is 6, 0. This is possible when A is 6, 0 and B is minus 2, B is minus 5 by 2, 0. B is minus 5 by 2, 0. So what will be the distance, dear students? That will be 6 plus 5 by 2. I hope, correct, no? Yeah, this point is 0, 0, right? So 6 plus 5 by 2. So we get that is 12 plus 5. 17 by 2 should be the value. 17 by 2 is the maximum value, dear students. That's it. Now let us go to the next question. Next question, he says, this is a very simple question, dear students. We have z is equals to 1 plus iota into 1 plus 2 iota into 1 plus 3 iota and so on, 1 plus n iota. We have n factors here and I is equals to under root of minus 1. So mod z whole square is equals to this, then n equals to simple, very simple, dear students. Let us say z is equals to z1 multiplied by z2 multiplied by z3. We know that mod z is equals to mod of this, right? And this we can write it as mod z1 multiplied by mod z2 multiplied by mod z3, right? Now, so mod z will be under root of 1 square plus 1 square firstly, into under root of 1 square plus 2 square, into under root of 1 square plus 3 square, into under root of 1 square plus 4 square and so on, right? So mod z whole square, dear students, will be 2 into 5 into 10 into 17 into, it will write one more, 1 plus 5 square into under root 1 plus 6 square and so on. Here we get 25 plus 1 is 26 and so on, right? So how much is 2 into 5, dear students? 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 10 is 100. Acha. So already we have double zeros. I think 26 into 17 we will simply find out 6, 7 is 14 plus 4, 8. Perfect, dear students. So mod z square itself here it is 44200. If we stop it at this value, that means if we stop it here. And when do we get this? If n is 5, right? That means n should be equals to 5. That's it. It's a very simple question, dear students. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching this. Meet you with the next.